Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to change a contact's first name on WhatsApp web using your PC. With the latest update, WhatsApp has made it even easier to manage your contacts directly from your browser. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First things first, open up your favorite web browser and head over to WhatsApp web. If you haven't already, you'll need to scan the QR code with your phone to log in. Once you're in, you'll see your chat list on the left side of the screen. Now, let's say you want to update the first name of one of your contacts. Maybe you've got a friend who's recently gotten married and changed their name, or perhaps you just want to add a nickname. Whatever the reason, it's a breeze to do. Scroll through your chat list or use the search bar at the top to find the contact you want to modify. Once you've located them, click on their name or profile picture to open up the chat window. At the top of the chat, you'll see your contact's current name displayed. Click on it, and a new panel will slide in from the right, showing you all the contact information WhatsApp has for this person. Look closely at the top of this panel, and you'll spot a small edit icon. It usually looks like a pencil or a little notepad. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will unlock the contact's information fields, allowing you to make changes. You'll now see that the first name field is editable. Simply click into it and type the new first name you want to use for this contact. Feel free to be as formal or informal as you like. After all, this is your personal contact list. Once you're happy with the new first name, look for the Save button. It's usually located at the bottom of the Edit panel. Give it a click and voila! You've successfully updated your contact's first name on WhatsApp web. It's that simple. The next time you chat with this person or see them in your contact list, their updated first name will be displayed. Remember, this change is only visible to you and doesn't affect how your name appears on their device. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to keep your WhatsApp contacts up to date, right from your PC. Happy chatting!